Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to snag that $200 bonus from Chime in 2025. If you're looking to boost your bank account without much hassle, this guide is for you. First off, what's Chime? It's a user-friendly banking app that offers no-fee services and cool promotions, like this $200 offer that's perfect for new users. But remember, these deals can vary, so always check the latest details on their official site. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Download the Chime app from your phone's app store or visit their website. You'll need to sign up with your basic info, like your email, phone number, and some ID verification. Pro tip: if you have a referral code, use it during sign up. It could be the key to unlocking that bonus. Once you're in, verify your account by following the prompts, which might include a quick SMS code or email confirmation. Next up, Step 2. Link your external bank account or set up direct deposit. Chime often requires you to receive at least $200 via direct deposit to qualify for the bonus. This means setting up your paycheck or another deposit to go straight into your Chime account. It sounds simple, but make sure it's from an eligible source. Chime's terms will spell this out. Step 3. Wait for the deposit to process. Once your direct deposit hits, Chime should automatically add the $200 bonus to your account within a few business days. Keep an eye on your app notifications for updates. Finally, a few important tips. This offer is typically for new users only, and it might have expiration dates or regional restrictions, especially since we're talking 2025. Always read the fine print to avoid disappointment. There you have it. Follow these steps, and you could be $200 richer in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.